Every gardener, whether a seasoned expert or a hopeful beginner, knows the deep heartbreak that comes with a lifeless garden. You step outside full of hope, only to be met by soil that looks more like a desert floor than a place where life should thrive. The earth is cracked and dry, refusing to yield to your touch, and it feels as if all your hard work has simply vanished into the dust. The plants you once nurtured with care now struggle to survive. Their leaves droop, their stems bend, and they seem to be crying out for help. Each day you watch as your vegetable seedlings and flowers fight a losing battle against the harsh conditions. Your plants tell a silent story of struggle and suffering. Yellow leaves appear, a sign of distress, and growth is stunted. The once vibrant green fades, replaced by sickly hues that signal something is deeply wrong beneath the surface. Flowers, which should be bursting with color and life, are now few and far between. Their colors are muted, their petals faded, as if they're pleading for something more. Something they desperately need but cannot find in the soil. As if that wasn't enough, pests seem to sense the weakness in your garden. Aphids, caterpillars, and other invaders attack relentlessly, targeting the most vulnerable plants. It feels like a never-ending battle, with your garden always on the losing side. In desperation, you might reach for chemical sprays, hoping for a quick fix. But these are only temporary solutions. They may drive away pests for a while, but they do nothing to address the real problem: the lifelessness of your soil and the lack of true nourishment for your plants. This combination of barren soil, unhappy plants, and relentless pests can make gardening feel impossible. The frustration builds, and you might even wonder if it's worth trying at all. But don't lose hope. There is a way forward. The solution to your garden's heartbreak is closer than you think. It's not found in a bottle or a bag from the store, but right in your own kitchen. The food scraps and peels you might throw away every day hold the secret to reviving your garden. By turning these simple kitchen scraps into compost, you can create a natural, powerful way to heal your soil and bring your plants back to life. Compost restores nutrients, improves soil structure, and helps your garden resist pests and disease. Together, let's discover the magic that's waiting to be uncovered in your garden. With a little patience and the right approach, you can transform heartbreak into hope and watch your garden come alive once more. Think about what you throw away each day. Your kitchen bin isn't filled with waste, it's filled with potential. The peelings, grounds, and scraps are what your soil craves. Instead of sending scraps to a landfill, use them to enrich your garden. This isn't new science. It's ancient wisdom. Stop seeing kitchen scraps as waste. See them as resources. By redirecting these materials, you're becoming a more sustainable gardener. You're reducing waste and creating something wonderful. It's a small change with enormous rewards. To revive your garden, you must first understand your soil. The foundation of a thriving garden lies beneath your feet. Soil is not just dirt, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. Healthy soil is dark, crumbly, and full of life. It's rich in organic matter and teeming with beneficial organisms like earthworms and microbes. This type of soil holds moisture well and is a bustling hub of activity. The organisms within it break down organic material, releasing nutrients that plants need to grow. Contrast this with dead soil, pale, compacted, and lifeless. Such soil struggles to support plant life and lacks the essential nutrients plants need. The key difference between these soils is organic matter. Organic matter consists of decomposing plant and animal material, which enriches the soil. Organic matter acts like a sponge, retaining moisture and improving soil structure. It helps the soil stay aerated and prevents it from becoming too compacted. Over time, organic matter breaks down and releases nutrients slowly, providing a steady supply of food for your plants. This gentle feeding process is crucial for healthy plant growth. Chemical fertilizers, on the other hand, can't compare. They may provide a quick nutrient boost, but they often harm the delicate balance of soil life and can lead to long-term damage. By adding organic matter, you're not just feeding your plants, you're feeding the soil itself. This creates a sustainable environment where plants can thrive. You're essentially rebuilding an ecosystem, turning your garden into a vibrant, self-sustaining paradise. A garden rich in organic matter supports a diverse range of plants and wildlife. Let's explore how to do this with kitchen scraps. Simple steps can transform your waste into a valuable resource for your garden. Meet our kitchen heroes: onion peels, coffee grounds, and cardboard. These everyday items, often discarded without a second thought, hold incredible potential for your garden. Onion peels are rich in minerals like potassium, crucial for plant health. They decompose quickly, releasing nutrients that strengthen plant roots and improve overall growth. Coffee grounds provide nitrogen, promoting lush growth. They also help improve soil texture and attract beneficial microorganisms, which aid in breaking down organic matter. Cardboard offers carbon, balancing compost and improving soil structure. It helps to aerate the compost pile, ensuring that oxygen reaches all parts, which is essential for decomposition. Together, they create a complete package for your soil. By combining these materials, you ensure a balanced mix of nutrients, which is key to healthy plant growth. Coffee grounds boost nitrogen, onion peels add minerals, and cardboard balances the mix. This trio works harmoniously to create rich, fertile compost. This trio addresses soil needs for nutrients, moisture, and aeration. The result is a thriving garden ecosystem that supports robust plant growth and resilience. It's a simple, powerful way to build a healthy garden foundation. By using these common kitchen scraps, you can significantly enhance your soil's fertility and structure. Use what you have to create a thriving ecosystem. Every bit of organic material you add to your compost pile contributes to a healthier, more sustainable garden. Let's see how to put them to work. Follow these simple steps to start composting and watch your garden flourish. Let's make compost, the gardener's black gold. Start with a simple pile or container with aeration holes. Layer materials: twiggy base, then kitchen heroes. Balance greens, nitrogen, and browns, carbon. Aim for 2 to 3 parts brown to 1 part green. Keep the pile moist, like a wrung-out sponge. Turn the pile weekly to introduce oxygen. In a few months, you'll have dark, crumbly compost. This is your perfect soil conditioner. Let's get started on this rewarding process. While compost works, brew a quick plant boost. Compost tea. Use onion peels and coffee grounds for a nutrient-rich liquid. Collect grounds and peels. Place in a container and add water. Let it steep for 24 hours to 3 days. Strain the liquid and dilute it to weak tea color. Water plants with this every 2 weeks. It delivers nutrients directly, promoting vigorous growth. Use it for container plants or seedlings. This tonic is a quick pick-me-up for your garden. Let's see how to make it. Kitchen heroes also serve as mulch and pest repellent. Use shredded cardboard and onion peels as mulch. They suppress weeds, retain moisture, and improve soil. Onion peels deter pests with their strong smell. Use liquid fertilizer as a pest deterrent spray. Embrace these techniques for a resilient garden. Healthy plants resist disease. Living soil supports roots. Mulch conserves water, saving time and effort. Natural pest deterrents protect without chemicals. Transform kitchen waste into a garden gift.